Hello friends, in this video we are going to install Apache Maven. For that we need to go to maven.apache.org, and here you can see the instructions are pretty clear. So we'll just go to the download section, which I've already opened in this tab. It says that Maven 3.5.2 is the latest release and recommended version for all the users. So we're good to go with this. So all you need to do is you need to download the binary zip archive. If you're using Linux environment, then you can download the tar gz format, or if you're using in Windows, then zip format is the best. The zip format contains the shell scripts and Windows batch files, so it's good to be used for both type of OSs. I have already downloaded the zip file, so I'll quickly show that to you. My desktop, I have downloaded this binary zip file, and I'll extract this in Toolbox. There you go. Extraction is complete, and now all I have is all the required libraries, binary executables for Maven. We still have to do a few configuration before we can start using Maven, which I'll show you. So you can see the system requirements is that you need to have a JDK installed, Java Development Kit, and any version above 3.3 requires a JDK 1.7. So in case if you have got any other Java version, I request you to install the latest JDK, which is 1.9, but anything above 1.7 is good. And in another video I've already covered how to install Java, so if you haven't watched it yet, just go through that before you install Maven. If you see in the install section, it's very clearly written all the installation steps that you need to follow. So first and foremost is you need to ensure that the Java home environment variable is set, and that points to your JDK installation. And how we can check that quickly? So Windows R, type cmd, go to your command prompt. I'll increase the font size. Okay, so we'll just quickly see if we already have got Java home or not. No, there's nothing. So we need to set up the Java home environment variable. We'll go to Windows Start menu and type env, and it will give you the option to edit environment variables for your account. So I need to set up the Java home, and I'll show you where I have installed Java, which is in program files, because I've installed the 64-bit version of Java. That's why it's in program files. Here it is, JDK 901. So I'll quickly grab that. Now I'll add this JDK home. That's it. I'll also tweak the system path. In order to change any system variables, you have to be the administrator. So in case if you're not, you can just tweak the environment variable. So the Java home, and there the bin directory. That's what I need. That's where my Java executables are present. It's done. Trigger the same command. It will show me nothing because you need to reopen that. And now if you trigger the same command, it really shows you now the actual path of that cell, and you can do a Java version as well. So that's the prerequisite that you need to have Java installed, and then the Java home environment variable needs to be set up. Extraction we have already done. So now what we need to do is we need to add Maven in our environment variable path. So again, I'll go to environment variables. I'll tweak the path, the location where I have extracted Maven, which is toolbox and this. Now you can add a Maven home just like we added Java home, or you can directly update the path with the Maven. I usually do a Maven home and put that over here, and then tweak the path to denote that I have Maven bean here. The binaries are here, and I'm done. I need to reopen this, and if you now trigger this command, it is going to say you have Apache Maven 3.5.2. The Maven home is this location, the Java version being used 901. Java home is here, default locale is this, the OS details are. So that means we have successfully installed Maven. In case if you're getting any error here, that means you haven't followed the instructions properly. So I repeat once again, you have to install JDK, and it needs to be anything above 1.7, 1.8, and the latest 1.9 version is okay. And you need to extract the Maven folder somewhere of your choice. Edit the environment variable to denote the Java home, which is this location, and then the Maven binaries need to be added in your path environment variable. So that's it. We are done with Maven installation, and we are good to start our journey to learn Maven in depth. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in next video.